on the Taylor number 1 and 2 tank batteries. This is the destruction. All the water seems to be coming from the south and then hitting our tank batteries and all the debris, knocking fences down. Containment is still there, but water went right over the containment. We're looking 24-inch containment here. I'm going to walk around. I'm on the west end of the tank battery, looking at all the destruction that it did. Okay, I'm going to go over here by the pump unit and look at the all the debris that came from the south towards the northwest. Here's all the debris in front of the pump unit, how it destroyed the fence around it. You can see there's massive debris all over the fact it's inside the motor. The motor's going to have to be cleaned up big time here. Massive amounts of debris caught by the fence. We would probably be better off without a fence or something to contain this. That's it for the Taylor. Number 1 and number 2 tank battery. Thank you.